Did you know that over half of all website traffic worldwide comes from mobile devices? If your business isn't mobile friendly, you're essentially telling half your potential customers to go elsewhere. You know you need a mobile presence, but what's the best way to get there? Let's talk about the two popular market options both offered by iDateMedia, native apps and progressive web apps, or PWAs. We will discuss the pros and cons of both, show you how your customers will download the progressive web app directly to their mobile for both iPhones and Android devices. First, let's talk about native apps. Think Apple's App Store or Google Play. They are specifically built for a particular operating system like iOS or Android. The biggest advantage of native apps is their seamless integration with your device. They can access every bit of hardware, deliver push notifications directly, and generally offer the most polished and performant user experience. If you need highly specialized features or deep integration with a phone's capabilities, a native app is your best bet. One of the often overlooked benefits of having a native app is the App Store itself. Think of it as an extra marketing channel, a bustling digital marketplace where potential customers are actively searching for apps. The app stores provide a dedicated space for people to discover you. Users often browse categories or search for specific interests, and boom, there's your app front and center, ready to be downloaded. However, native apps come with their own set of challenges. They require separate development for each operating system, so one for iOS, one for Android, which can significantly increase development time and cost. They also need to go through an approval process for each app store, and updates can be a slower process. This prime real estate comes with a cost. App stores, like Apple's App Store and Google Play, charge fees for the privilege of being listed and for processing in-app purchases. These aren't just one-time charges. They often take a percentage, sometimes a significant one, of your subscription revenue or any other in-app transactions. So, while you gain that valuable marketing channel and direct access to users, you're also sharing a piece of your pie with the platform providers. For a niche dating business, especially one just starting out, factoring in these ongoing revenue cuts is crucial for your financial planning. It's a trade-off. Increased visibility and potentially higher conversion rates versus a slice of your earnings going to the App Store. For the progressive web app, imagine your website but supercharged for mobile. PWAs are built using web technologies, meaning they live in your browser, but they offer an app-like experience. The pros? PWAs are incredibly versatile. They are accessible across all devices and operating systems through a single code base, making them faster to develop and often more affordable. They load instantly, can work offline, and can even be added to your phone's home screen, just like a native app. Plus, all the revenue you earn goes back into your bank account. On the flip side, PWAs have some limitations. They might not have full access to all device hardware, like advanced camera features or intricate sensor data that a native app can leverage. For example, does your app require integration with Siri or Google Assistant? If so, your PWA might not be immediately compatible to do so. Speaking of app stores, you will need to rely more on your own marketing endeavors to find customers. If a progressive web app bypasses the App Store, you have likely asked the question, how will my customers access it on their phones? We will show you how that works now. For iOS, open a web browser and type the URL of your niche website. Click on the share icon and look for the Add to Home Screen option. Rename the text to be displayed if desired and click Add. Similarly, on an Android device, when a user is at your niche website on a web browser, click on the browser settings and look for the Add to Home Screen option. Then click on Install. As a site administrator, you may change the icon for your app and what will be displayed on the web browser tab by navigating to the Aesthetics menu and select Branding. Scroll past Site Colors, Typography and Layout sections to the bottom to Favicon with Insight Images. Supported formats include PNG, JPEG, GIF, and WebP. A 1:1 aspect ratio will automatically be applied to your business logo, brand mark, or monogram. Regardless of whether it is a native app or a PWA, your customers will be able to register, connect, and engage with the community you are trying to build. The progressive web app capabilities are already included with your iDateMedia purchase and requires no additional configurations for your users to immediately take advantage of that functionality. However, as mentioned already, native applications usually necessitate specific development requirements for your business and adhere to strict guidelines from the app stores themselves. Additional costs and partnership arrangements are determined on a case-by-case basis. Reach out to us at sales@iDateMedia and we can work together to bring your dream a reality.